Hello everyone, welcome to another video, another tutorial about solving systems of equations. This time we will be using the elimination method with multiplication. So if you did not watch the video for addition and subtraction, please refer to it. So in this video, at the beginning, I would like to again explain for you how can you eliminate variables in general. So to eliminate, that means to remove or to cancel. So whenever you are having the same variable with the same coefficient, to make them zero, you just need to subtract them if they have the same sign. And if they have different signs, you need just to add them and you will be having zero. Now, what if you had different coefficients? You cannot do the method directly with addition and subtraction. You need to do one step before the addition and subtraction, which is the multiplication. You must multiply it with a factor to make it the same. So, what is the relationship between 4 and 2? Excellent. That means you must multiply the first one by 2. Now look at the new variables. You will be having now 4x and 4x. With this, you are having same sign and you need to subtract them in order you will be getting 0. Now let's focus on this question. 5x and 4x. How can you eliminate them? How can you make them 0? You are having different coefficients and you don't have any relationship between the 5 and the 4. So in general, whenever you do not have any relationship between the two coefficients, whatever you need to do is take each number and multiply it by the other. So this by 5 and this by 4, which will give you 20x and here 20x. Same sign, subtract it, you will be getting 0. So that was the beginning of our lesson. After this, now we will be using the elimination to solve the system of equations. So at the beginning, let's decide which variable it is easier to eliminate. Now look at the variable x. What is the first coefficient? 3 and 6. Do I have any relationship? Yes. If I multiply the 3 by 2, then I will be having 6. So let's go to the second one. And whenever you want to multiply, you will multiply all the equation, not only the first one. So you will multiply everything by 2. So let's write it now again. So the first one, you didn't change anything on it, just keep it as it is, equal to 10. Then the second one, it's like you are doing distributive property throughout all this equation. So now if you would like to do this, you will be having, first of all, 2 multiplied by 3, it is 6x, minus 7 multiplied by 2, 14y, equal minus 19 multiplied by 2, it is minus 38. And now let's do step-by-step calculation. You would like to eliminate the x, and you are having similar signs. That means you need to subtract it. And whenever you subtract, that means you cancel it out, this one and this one. Now let's focus what I will be doing. Minus 2y minus 14. Pay attention to this. It will be shifted to plus. So it will be 12y equal 10 minus 38. It will be shifted to plus. So it will be 48. Now you are having one step equation, divide by 12, divide by 12, and you will be having your y as 4. Am I done? Ask yourself, am I done? Did I get the solution? No, you are not done. You have to substitute to find x. So you can use whether the first equation or the second equation to find x. So 6x minus 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 10. So let me put an arrow like this. So it will be 6x minus 8 equal to 10. Solve this equation. Plus 8 plus 8. It will be 6x equal to 18. Divide by 6 both sides. You will be getting your x as 3. So, in general, whenever you want to write your answer, it should be as coordinate point x and y. So, 3 and 4. That's it. Now, if you would like to check using graphing, so it will be here consistent, independent, and exactly one solution. Now, let's go here. Let's decide which one I would like to eliminate. So here you will be noticing that there is a relationship between the 9 and the 3. So you can multiply everything by 3 and eliminate the r. Other than this, there is a relationship between q and 2q. You can multiply the first one by 2 and eliminate the q. So this system of equations will have two ways to be solved. So what I will do for you is that I will be eliminating the q. So let's focus on this. What I will do with the first one, I will multiply everything by 2 to make them the same coefficient. So let's see what will happen when I multiply it with 2. So imagine you are doing distributive property. So 9 multiplied by 2, it is 18r plus 2q equal 13 multiplied by 2, it is 26. Then put it as it is. You didn't change anything in it. Then you would like to eliminate 2q. Now look at the signs. They are having the same sign. That means you need to subtract them. So with this, you eliminated 2q. Now 18r minus 3r, it is 15r equal 26 minus 4. Pay attention, it will be shifted to plus. Now divide by 15 both sides, and your r will be 13 divided by 15, which is 2. So pay attention, your first variable will be r, your second variable will be q. With this, we are done with the first variable. Now what about the other variable? How can I get it? Excellent, by substitution. So I will be going to the second one. 9 multiplied by 2 plus q equal to 13. So 18 plus q equal 13. Solve this equation and you will be getting your q as 13 minus 18, and this will be giving you minus 5. So if you would like to put it as a point like this, it will be 2 and minus 5. So again, this will be your solution, exactly one solution, consistent and independent. Now, all of these questions, 1 and 2, there was a relationship between the coefficients. What if we do not have any relationship between the coefficients? As we did before, in the beginning of the video, we will be multiplying each number by the other in order to cancel it. So now just pay attention with me. what we will do now is that I will be choosing a variable to be eliminated. For example, I would like to eliminate 5x and 2x. So what shall I do to eliminate it? First of all, I will be doing to the first one, I will multiply it by 2. To the second one, I will multiply it by 5. Then, let's now modify on it. What I will be doing is that distributive property. So let's do it directly. 10x minus 6y equal 12. And because they will be having the same sign, that means we need to subtract them. 10x plus 25y equal minus 50. Let's simplify further. It will be minus 31y equals 62. And with solving this equation, you will be having y equal minus 2. Now, substitute. You will be having 5x minus 3 minus 2. I'm substituting in the first one equal 6. That means 5x plus 6 equal to 6. That means your x will be 0 after solving this equation. So it will be 0 and minus 2. And this is your graph. Now let's go to our last question. Now in this question, let me choose one to be eliminated. I would like to eliminate my a. So let me choose something different now. I will be multiplying it by the opposite sign. So here I will multiply it by minus 6, and here I will be multiplying it by 4. And let's see what we will be getting. So first of all, we are having 24a plus 8b equal to 8. And you are having here minus 24a minus 18b equal minus 48. And now you are having different signs, so you must add. With this, you will be eliminating your variable a, and you will be getting minus 10b equal to minus 40. After solving this one-step equation, you will be getting b as 4. So your coordinate point must be a and b, because a was the first letter. So let's see now. I would like to find a. So when I want to substitute, I can use whether the first or the second. So I will be using the second. So 4a plus 3 multiplied by 4 equal to 8. So 4a plus 12 equal to 8. So this will be leaving you with an equation. After solving it, you will be getting a as minus 1. So let's put here our point. It is minus 1 and 4. And let's check it here. So you are getting a graph with a point of intersection, exactly one solution, independent and consistent. This is the end of this video. Please wait for the other video, which I will be explaining stream examples, which are problems related to elimination method from our life. Thank you so much. If you have any question, you can write for me in the comments.